This Century 21 United Property video is presented by Tracy Thomas. Don't miss out on this wonderful 3-bedroom 2.5 bath home in South Bossier. Bonus room could be used as 4th bedroom. Open floor plan with gas stove, island and kitchen. Remote master with dual sinks, walk-in closet, separate tub, shower. Covered patio out back with a separate pergola sitting area. Fully fenced-in backyard. Garage has cabinets built in. Call today for your private showing. For more information, review the details below.